A few kilometers out of the crowded hustle-bustle of Bengaluru, the Bannerghatta Nature Camp is a surprise package. Spacious rooms, stylish interiors inspired by nature make this a perfect getaway with family or friends. Spread over 25,000 acres, the Bannerghatta National Park is India's first lion and tiger safari. The Bannerghatta Nature Camp at the edge of the forest has log cabins and tents in the middle of lush surroundings. I head off on the safari. The Bannerghatta forest is a sort of rehabilitation facility for big cats rescued from circuses and the wildlife trade. But unlike a zoo, the wild cats roam free in their natural habitat. There are scores of Asiatic lions here, and they have been multiplying, a sign of a healthy population. India is home to the last Asiatic lions, so even if they breed in captivity, these lions keep the gene pool alive. In a separate enclosure are Royal Bengal tigers. Many of these were brought here in terrible condition and have been nursed back to health by a dedicated staff who feed and look after them. I head out on a trek organized in the herbivore part of the forest. It's a great way to connect with nature. The Bannerghatta National Park has another little surprise. It has one of Asia's largest butterfly parks. I also do a quick visit to the Bannerghatta Biological Park. I catch the wildlife film that is shown every evening at the resort. Local and continental cuisine is served up at the Golghar, the Jungle Lodge's dining area. Unwind and relax under the shade of the green canopy and soak in the sounds of the wild at the Bannerghatta Nature Camp.